Hello! In this video, I'll be showing you how to send out recipient PDF slips by email. Please note that this feature is only available in the enterprise version of eForms. As well, if you've not already created individual PDFs for your recipients, please view our video on creating individual recipient slips, as they're required for this process. To get to the recipient email page from our homepage, simply navigate to 5, Filing and Emailing from the homepage, and click Email Recipient Slips. Alternatively, you may select Reports in the toolbar, and then click Email Recipient Slips. On the email page, you will find 6 steps to follow. In Step 1, you will select the company or companies the slips are under. Next, choose the return type you'll be processing. Here, you can also select which recipients you'll be sending to. You can sort by unsent emails, specifically chosen recipients, or by slip status: original, amended, and canceled. You may also filter recipients by a subset tag, found in the Advanced tab of the slip. For this example, we'll be choosing the T4A slip and selecting All in the drop-down menu. Once you have selected your recipients, Step 3 will have you compose your email. Begin by setting the PDF folder by clicking on Browse and selecting the folder where you saved the PDF slips. Fill out the email options with your subject, message body, and a second attachment if you need one. In Step 4, you'll be asked to review your emails to check to see if they're ready to go. First, click on Preview Emails. This will open a pop-up box where you can view what the email will look like. There is also a Pre-Send check. Click this to run a verification report of your emails without sending them. If there are issues, they will be highlighted. In Step 5, you will be asked to configure your email settings. There are 3 options for email providers available: Microsoft, Gmail, and SMTP settings. When sending an email, they will be sent from a specified email address, which would typically be an email address that your company uses in its business. If this email is hosted by Microsoft or Gmail, then you should select one of these options. If you select one of these options, you will be asked to log in to your Gmail or Microsoft account in a browser window when you begin to send emails. Contact your IT administrator if you have trouble logging in. If you are sending recipient slips by SMTP, typically any email not hosted by Google or Microsoft, you will need to enter your settings by clicking the Configure SMTP button. If you do not know what to enter for your SMTP settings, they should be available to you through your company IT administrator or your email host. Save these settings, then click Close. You may also choose to configure the sending rate of your emails. Typically, the default value is okay. However, you may also choose to limit this rate. You can do so by clicking Sending Rate Setup and choosing to send a number of emails per hour or send out emails in batches. By default, on failure to send an email, the program will stop and ask before continuing to send emails. You may also choose to continue sending the remaining emails. For this example, we will leave the default status. Another important step is to send a test email. This will ensure that your email works and gives you an opportunity to proofread the email and see it as the recipient will see it. Once you have completed this preparation, the final step is to click Send Emails. A pop-up will give notice regarding email sending limits based on your email provider. Click OK. eForms will then ask you for your confirmation to send the emails. Click OK to continue. If any emails fail to send, and you have chosen Stop and Ask before continuing, eForms will notify you if an email fails to send. It will then prompt you to allow emails to continue sending. If you have instead chosen Continue Sending Remaining Emails, when eForms finishes sending the emails, it will notify you if any failed to send. eForms will then ask you if you want to see a spreadsheet of the log. For this tutorial, we will click No. This has been another AvanTax eForms Quick Help video. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca.